Fifth sum, if cos 2 theta equal to 0, determine 0 cos theta sin theta, cos theta sin theta 0, sin theta 0 cos theta. Here it's clearly given cos 2 theta is 0. If cos 2 theta is 0, we can say instead of this 0 can be written in the form of cos. We can say cos pi by 2 because cos pi by 2 is cos 90. Value of cos 90 is 0. We can take this 0 as cos 90 here. Okay. So we can conclude from this 2 theta equal to pi by 2, theta equal to pi by 4. We want to determine the value of the given determinant, isn't it? We want to find the determinant value of the given thing is 0 cos theta sin theta, cos theta sin theta 0, sin theta 0 cos theta the whole square. This square can be written in two forms there, isn't it? The product of 2. So we can write this determinant as the product of 2 there. And then we want to split this as usual that matrix multiplication. We have to multiply here the first row and first column, isn't it? So 0 into 0 plus cos into cos is cos square and sin into sin is sin square. Likewise, first row, second column, then first row, third column we have to multiply here. And then again we have to multiply the second row, first column, and second row, second column, and second row, third column. So likewise we have to put the answer there. And then third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. And we have to write the answers one by one here. Okay. So now we got here sin square plus cos square is 1. And remaining thing what we have there, cos theta into sin theta only there. Instead of theta we got the value pi by 4, pi by 4. Even here also instead of theta we have to substitute sin pi by 4 and pi by 4. Here cos square plus sin square is 1 and even here sin square plus cos square is 1. All the other thing we have to substitute the value of theta here. Okay. And then substitute the values here of sin pi by 4 and cos pi by 4. It will be like this. Here substitute all the values of sin pi by 4 and cos pi by 4 here. So we substituted the value as 1 by root 2 for everything there. Then we want to find the determinant value. Okay, if you multiply this, we got simplest form is here. So 1 into root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 1 by 2. Even here also 1 by 2. 1 by 2 here 1. And then here even 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2. Here also 1 by 2 we got there. Here the value is 1. This is the simplest form of the given determinant. And then we want to find the determinant value now. So 1 into 1 minus of half into half is 1 by 4. And then minus half into half minus 1 by 4. And then plus half into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 minus this half there. So what we got now? Multiply 1 minus 1 by 4 is we have to multiply with this 1 minus 1 by 4 and then here if you multiply this we got minus 1 by 4 and here plus 1 by 8, here 1 by 8 and here it is minus 1 by 4. So likewise we have to multiply here. So we can cancel some things also. Here 1 by 2 and take the LCM for this, okay, or else we can simplify in any method here. So that what we got here is got the LCM as 8. So 8 minus 2 minus 2. Here 1 plus 1 minus 2. So totally we got 4 by 8 is nothing but 1 by 2. So now we got the value of the determinant value is 1 by 2 here. Okay. Sixth problem. The value of the product is determinant log 64 base 3, log 3 base 4, log 8 base 3, log 9 base 4 into log 3 base 2, log 3 base 8, log 4 base 3, log 4 base 3 is here. Okay. We want to find the value of the product there. So as usual, the product we have to ordinary product only, matrix multiplication product already we know that. So like this we have to multiply here. So first row and first column, that means log 64, and here it will be same number, isn't it? So if you just multiply like this, log 64 base 3 into log 3 base 2, and then here the first row, here we have to write first row and first column, isn't it? First we have to multiply these two plus multiply these two things there. Log 3 base 4 into log 4 base 3. Likewise, and then first row, second column. So this term and this term we have to write first. Log 64 base 5 and log 3 base 8. Likewise, second term and this term, log 3 base 4 into log 4 base 3. Okay, and then in the second row, first column we have to multiply that. So we have to multiply this term and this one, isn't it? So log 8 base 3 into log 3 log this one plus, and then we have to multiply this and first row. So we have to multiply this and this, log 9 base 4 into log 4 base 3, and then here second row, second column. So we have to multiply log 8 base 3 into log 3 base 8 is here, plus, and then we have to multiply this term and this, log 9 base 4 into log 4 base 3. This term is here. Okay, ordinary matrix multiplication. Okay, and then let me do here. Here if the bases and the numbers are same, we can take this as answer log 64 base 2. Here even 4 and 4 is there, and log 3 and log 3 is here. So log 3 base 3 it will be 1. So this value is 1 here, 1. And even here 3 and 3 will go off. So log 8 base 2. Okay, and then here 4 and 4 will go off. So log 3 base 3. And then here as usual, here 4 and 4 will go off. So log 3 and base 3. So that the value will be 1 there. And then here 3 and 3 will get cancelled there. And here also 3 and 3 will go off. So in log 64 base 8, here log 8 base 8, and here log 9, 4 and 4 will go off, log 9 base 3. Okay. So this is the simplest form of the log form here. So we can conclude from this 64 can be written as 2 power 6, isn't it? And this 64 can be written as 8 square because the base is 8. So in the terms of 8 we wrote that. Here the base is 2, so we wrote power of 2 power 6 like this. Okay, and then even here 8 is there, so base is 2, so we can write this 2 cube, and here 9 is the 3 square. So according to the base you have to write that thing there. So we can say if we have the power, we can take it to the taken to the front there. So we can write 2 log 2 base 2, and even here take this 2 to front there. So 2 into log 8 base 8, and even here take this 3 to here and log 2 base 2. Here take 2 here, and so that we got log 3 base 3. So we can conclude from this log 2 base 2 is 1. This is also value is 1. Here also 1, and even here also 1. That means log a base a equal to 1. Okay, and then if we substitute everything, we got 6, 2, here 3 plus 2, and here 2 here. Here it's not 3 plus 2, this is wrong here. here already we got the thing 1 here. So 1 plus 2, that 1 plus 2 is 3 here. So 3 times. So here this is 1 only, it's not 3. Okay. So here 1 plus 2 is 3 here. So we can find the determinant value. 6 2s are 12 minus 6 here. 12 minus 6 is 6 only there.